Experiencing blurry wallpapers with the depth effect and focus feature on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max screensaver? You're not alone. This issue, primarily affecting the Pro Max due to its larger display, involves unintended pixelation or loss of detail when the screensaver activates with depth effect enabled. The good news is Apple addressed this with iOS 18.1. Update your phone. After updating, 85% of users have reported resolution. If problems persist, they're likely due to unoptimized third-party apps or custom wallpapers. If updating to iOS 18.1 didn't completely resolve the wallpaper blur, try these additional troubleshooting steps. First, manually reset your wallpaper through Settings. Navigate to Settings, tap Wallpaper, and reset to default or choose a new image. Next, enable high-fidelity mode in Settings Wallpaper options. This optimizes rendering for better sharpness. For custom wallpapers, ensure they're optimized and switch to JPEG format to avoid resolution mismatches that cause blur. Temporarily disable depth effect and focus modes. Re-enable them one at a time to identify which feature causes the blur. If the blur persists, contact Apple support for further assistance. Remember that third-party apps manipulating images don't work well with depth effect.